Hey guys, I'm Szenanphua from Acu School. Today I'm going to show you some cases. We'll talk about the students of Jiyi Acupuncture in China. What the cases they share in the group. Okay, so the first case is sharing about the Jiyi. Okay, and I show you in the last video, and we have two different tea and Jiyi Acupuncture system. One is called Kunze tea, the other one is called Qianyuan tea. And this students, his mother-in-law and been having Jiyi tea for about 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, and then she found that the burping is just about gone, it's well gone, and then bowel motion every day and very easy and regular. Okay, and his wife actually taking the tea and felt much better and energy. That is fantastic, right? Now the next case I want to show you is after one acupuncture of one Jiyi Acupuncture of the cluster headache, and that case has been for 10 years, and just one acupuncture. This is she shared this case over here, and just one acupuncture and immediately 80% better. And 2 days after that treatment, and the patient came back and said the headaches go gone. So it used to be just about every day, and the headaches and been diagnosed for clustered headache. Now, the good news for you, if you want to learn all Jiyi Acupuncture, you have to attend the workshop. Right? I'll let you know there are only 8 seats left in Malaysia workshop, and the date will be 22nd to 24 November. Right? So if you want to join, please, the link is down there. Click and find out more. Right? We will once you pay, you will get a 10 free video online to study Jiyi Acupuncture first, and then you also get free hotel accommodation, and we also put in the fee for you to travel from the airport to the hotel and return, both way. All right, that's it. If you want to join the class, the link is down there. Find out more, and you also will find another link down there that you can free access to Jiyi Acupuncture training for the basic for water points. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.